Hello! Here is one way to make faux look-alike Jingle Bell balls that are quiet and soundless. The sizes vary from 1/8 to 1/4 inch in diameter. Materials are shown and listed below. Paint copy paper on one side with metallic colors. When dry, punch out shapes. I use 1/4 inch stars and 5/8 of an inch petal shapes. A 4-petal punch works also, or you can cut out the shapes by hand. Use a straight pin to insert a hole in the center of each shape on a mat. Paint mini foam balls black, 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch in diameter. Use one pin for each bell shape. Then with the pen and tweezers, place 2 foam balls for the larger petal shapes and 1 ball for the smaller star shapes. Set those aside. Place the petal and star shapes on a foam mat. Turn the painted side down. With a small stylus, begin by gently pressing outside edges down. The tweezers help to hold it. Then curl each petal, finally rolling around the inside center to round the shape into a ball. Do the same for the star shape, pressing the edges and then rolling it into a ball shape. Next, take a single pin with a foam ball. Insert that into a small star-shaped center, but leave a gap. Now add glue to that foam ball, go all the way around. Push up the star around the foam ball, gently pressing it into shape. Use a pin with 2 foam balls. Insert that into a petal shape. Leave a gap. Add glue to the foam balls. Push up the petal around the foam balls, gently pressing around into shape. Make as many small balls as you need, repeating the steps. You could apply another coat of metallic paint or add gold sparkle glass paint. Gently roll the balls around the pin to loosen, then slide off to remove. You could use these paper bells in a sleigh bell hanger, see a previous video, or make a wreath by gluing 14 larger petal bells in a circle, then glue 17 smaller star shapes on the top and edges. I hope you like and share my version of the quiet paper jingle bells. Thank you so much for watching.